Hi guys, my name is Chelsea if you have not been here before. It has felt like I haven't sat down and filmed a video in a while, but I guess it really hasn't been all that long. It's been a busy summer. I think I said that in either my last video or the video before, but I am excited for today's video because Walmart is kindly partnering with me, which is super exciting. I love Walmart. I'm always on walmart.com seeing what new things they have in stock. It's always my go-to if I need something kind of like more practical for the home. So I am constantly on their website looking to see what they've got going on. Now, if you would like to get your hands on anything that you see in today's haul, you can just look right down below into the description box where there will be a link for every single item. So let's go ahead and I will show you what I got. So I know that it is August, but it doesn't matter what time of year it is. I always love a great cozy blanket. I waited to open it up for the video, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this out. This is a little bit bigger than your standard blanket. I think most are normally, is it 50 by 60? This one is by 72, so it's a little bit bigger. Okay, I got it out. This is the coziest material. Look at how soft this looks. Fall is going to come so fast. I know a lot of people are hanging on to summer desperately, but fall is gonna come very quickly, so I am always on the hunt for a new blanket, and this one is just so pretty. I love the simple like line detail down the side of it, and it is truly just the absolute softest. I am like a blanket hoarder. I love a good new blanket. Even though I already have so many, if I see a new one, I just can't say no. And throw blankets like these are great for so many things. You can throw them in a basket, over the couch, over your bed for an extra layer. These pieces are just such great layering tools, and again, so cozy, so practical. I absolutely am going to be curling up with this all fall and winter long. At some point, I may do a closet makeover video. Our closet is just disorganized. There could be a better use of space for it, but I started working on trying to get it more organized, get it styled a little bit more, and I wanted to pick up some new hangers. There are a million different hangers. They don't stay well, they're kind of slippery, so my clothes are constantly falling off. I have velvet ones in there, they're black, and I really like those, but I saw this set, and it's this like creamy beige color with these beautiful gold tops. I just think these are so pretty. This box that I got actually has 30. This is just one half of them here. So it comes with a really good number, and the price was great for, again, these beautiful kind of more velvety hangers. My clothes don't crease on these, and my clothes again also stay on them better. They're not constantly slipping off because of the material, and I think the brass kind of gold color of the top is just so pretty. I also picked up a candle because I'm also addicted to candles. This is Vanilla Cookie Crunch. Oh, that is so good. And I know not everyone loves bakery type scents. I sure do. This does come in several other scents though, so if that's not your style, there are a lot of other options to pick from. Some of the other scents they have in this candle are lemon balm and cedar, farm apple pumpkin, mandarin and guava, palo santo and violet, pineapple and ginger, rosewater and coconut milk, salted coconut and mahogany, soft cashmere amber, spicy cinnamon stick, and snickerdoodle swirl. There are a couple other ones here, but my point is, if you don't love the bakery scents like I do, there are a lot of other options, and Walmart's candles are always at really great prices. All right, next, I have to do some maneuvering here. Let's see if we can try to do this without making a huge glare. Next is this beautiful mirror, and I'm only gonna hold it up here for a second. I'll put in footage so you can get a better look at it, but the detail on this is absolutely stunning. especially at the top as well as kind of down the side there. There are similar mirrors to these and they can get really, really pricey. Of course, I found one on Walmart.com for a much better price than where I was seeing in a lot of other places. I have a few different ideas for where I may want to put this mirror on a more permanent basis. I just have to think kind of what makes the most sense, and it is a heavier mirror, so definitely needs to be hung securely if you're going to hang it on your wall, but it is a quality mirror. It's really, really beautiful, and again, at such a great price, especially when you consider the price of similar mirrors. Next is one of these random things that just kind of make me happy, and it's this set of oversized bath towels. I really, really like kind of huge bath towels that you can thoroughly wrap around you. I hate the ones that are small and barely cover anything and you're desperately holding on to them so that you can make it, you know, from the bathroom to your bedroom. But these oversized ones are huge. Like, it doesn't even fit all the way in the frame. These wrap you up completely. These are so cozy and warm. This set comes with 2 in a pack, and they do come in different colors. I just got the kind of like creamy beige color, and the pattern's really simple on them. Nothing out of the usual, but they're just really soft, and again, nice and big, so when you're leaving your shower, especially in those winter months when you step out of the shower and your house is a little bit colder than the bathroom, it's nice to really be able to fully wrap up in a towel so that you're not freezing. But this is just one of those little simple things in life that make me so happy. For some reason, I am just totally obsessed with oversized towels. So Walmart has definitely, in my opinion, kind of elevated their decor style over the last several years, but they're also still a place that I turn to online for really practical home items. I picked up this simple little toaster. It's white, so it matches my kitchen. We have it's almost like an air fryer meets toaster oven. It's really big though, so for the most part it's put away unless we're using it. It's a lot to haul out if you just want to make some toast or toast a bagel or something. So I really wanted to just get a simple, small, kind of white little toaster. And of course, the first place I think of is, let me go online and see what Walmart has. And the nice thing about ordering online is they do have quick shipping, but also you can order online, and if the items are in stock, you can just swoop by your local Walmart and scoop them up. So you have really more than one option if you do want to shop online for how you want your items to get to you. Alright, and last but certainly not least, we have to take a little field trip to see the last item, so come with me. Alright, and the last piece that I picked out is this lamp. I think the base is really sleek and simple with the black, but the woven shade really just kind of brings some warmth to the piece, and I love that this doesn't take up a lot of space, so if you have a smaller corner, you can really fit this in here. It is also a really tall lamp. You can kind of see from this angle that it's actually a bit taller than the kind of bookshelf or bookcase piece here. It's nice and tall, which I love. But again, it just doesn't take up a ton of space, and I think that a lamp like this can work with so many styles. Alright, that is all we've got for today. If you would like to see any of the products or purchase them that you saw in today's video, you can go down below in my description box. All of the links for each item will be down there. And of course, everything will be on Walmart.com. A big thank you to Walmart for partnering with me on today's video. I really do love Walmart so much. If you guys will remember, my living room chairs that I love so much also came from Walmart from my living room makeover video. So it was just really cool to partner with a company where I shop so frequently at. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can give it a thumbs up. If you would like to see more content from me, you can subscribe to my channel. Otherwise, I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure you take care of yourself in the meantime. Bye guys.